MrToNo 42-in-1 ratcheting tool set. One of the best things that I bought in 2025. Screwdriver, both Phillips and flathead. We have Torx bits, hex bits, U-shaped bolts for whatever U-shaped bits, and this wonderful ratcheting handle. You can change the orientation to anything you need, any layout you need for any project that you are working on. It's small, it's secure. I take it on any project I want in the house, and it's really perfect. I picked this up on Amazon for like $29.99. Again, it's the MrToNo 42-in-1 ratcheting screwdriver set. Not a sponsor, definitely could be.